Have you ever asked yourself why people they always envy you? Have you asked yourself this question? Why people they always look down on you? Because you are an important personality. You're very, very important. Maybe you are this generation that we are. Maybe in your own time you will be a millionaire. Maybe they don't already use their spiritual and that's their witch eye. See, say you're a great millionaire. They are waiting for you to cry. They are waiting for you to cry. But the sound of your laughter will break their hearts into pieces. You will be say, where they wait make your fellow person cry. You forget say, that cry now you feel crying. So listen to me. If they are waiting for you to cry, my dear, start to blow your laughter. They blow your laughter so that their heart will be hard, you go tear into pieces. Yeah, that's so you be.